In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp Relationships. ClickUp is an all-in-one productivity platform designed to help you manage your tasks and projects more effectively. One of its most powerful features is the ability to create relationships between tasks, allowing you to link related items and even pull in key details from one task to another. Whether you're managing a complex project or streamlining simple workflows, understanding how to use relationships in ClickUp can greatly improve your organization. Let's dive in and get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to www.clickup.com. Once you're there, log in using the method that works best for you, whether it's your email address or a social sign-in option like Google. If you don't have an account yet, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your ClickUp homepage. Now, direct your attention to the left sidebar. This is where you'll find all the spaces and folders that organize your work. Click on the space that contains the tasks you want to connect. If you're not sure which one to choose, take a moment to explore your spaces and locate the one that fits your needs. Within the selected space, open the specific list where your tasks are located. A list is essentially a grouping of tasks that you can manage together. Once inside your list, you'll notice the table view, where tasks are arranged in rows and columns. This view is perfect for organizing and working with task details at a glance. Now look to the far right edge of the columns in your table view. You'll see a small plus icon there. Click on the plus icon to open the field library. This is where you can add new fields to your table to customize how your tasks are displayed and organized. In the field library, type the word relationship into the search bar. This will help you locate the relationship field quickly. Once it appears in the search results, select it to add it as a new column in your list. You'll now see the relationship field added to your table, ready for use. With the relationship field in place, you can start linking tasks. Use it to search for and connect relevant tasks within your ClickUp workspace. For example, you might link tasks that are dependent on each other or group tasks that belong to the same broader project. If you want to take it a step further, you can customize the relationship field to better suit your workflow. You can rename it to something more specific, like parent feature or requires approval depending on the context of your work. This makes it easier to understand how tasks are related at a glance. Additionally, you can enable roll-ups in the relationship field. This powerful feature allows you to display key data from related tasks directly in your current list. For example, you can pull in the status of a linked task, so you always know where it stands without having to navigate away. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully added and configured relationships in ClickUp, giving you better visibility and control over your tasks. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.